Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda Civic, that generation from year 2016 to year 2021. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the fuse for the radiator fan is located, which fuses you need to check, up to 3 fuses. Some of those could be really expensive or hard to find. We'll explain where you can buy them at a good price so you don't waste your money. All that will be covered today. In addition, we will explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. Make sure you stay until the end. All that will be covered for your convenience today, guys. Before we start, guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. On this channel you will be able to find, guys, a video for every fuse on your Honda Civic, guys, if you have that generation from year 2016 to year 2021. Why we make these videos? To save you time and money. Let's say you're down the road, you need a fuel pump fuse, because without that fuse practically the car will not be running. If it's blown, you can just search for it and find it instantly and know which fuse to check, because even in the manual, okay, the fuses are under different names that could be really hard to diagnose. Now, another thing, guys, we're constantly working on things, taking engines apart, transmissions, fixing cars, and we have 3 channels that we have more than 1.1 million subscribers altogether on these channels, guys, that we daily put content that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs as well. So let's go ahead, explain now where you can find all the fuses. Another thing now here, guys, okay, you will have different kind of fuses on your Honda Civic, guys. Some of those could be really hard to find. Okay, we're talking about some multi-fuses, multi-block fuses right here. Those could be really expensive, hard to find, impossible to find in small towns or in the middle of nowhere. Relays can be overpriced as well. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get practically all the fuses and relays at a really good price and quick shipping as well. That way you don't waste your money, guys. So let's go ahead, start on it and explain about the fuses now. So guys, now right here we're going to demonstrate on a 2017 Honda Civic. You have 2 different fuse boxes, but the fuse box that we'll need for that specific radiator fan fuses will be located, guys, under the hood. You open the hood in your Honda Civic right here in the corner. That's your fuse box, and if you guys open that fuse box here now, you're going to see a layout, okay, that looks just like this one right there. You can see now those are relays, those are fuses, but you can see right here you have it's called multi-block fuse. Consists of different fuses, but you cannot just replace one section of it. You have to replace that whole special fuse. Those could be really hard, expensive to find. We'll have the link where you can get them from. But before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. That way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So first, what we need to do now, we need to check fuse number 5, guys. Fuse number 5 will be in that row right here, the very top fuse, which is, by the way, a 5 amp fuse, and it's number 5. So that fuse will be the first one. Then we have 2 more that we need to check, and that's in multi-fuse block number 1. That multi-fuse block, when you remove them, you have to remove them to inspect them. That's what they look like, okay? The number 1 multi-fuse block is right here. Consists of multiple fuses, you can see, and you have to remove it in order to inspect it. But here, guys, we have 2 things responsible for the radiator fan, okay? Starting from the top, the second portion here, the second fuse, it's fuse number 30 amp, second fuse 30 amp fuse, and third fuse 50 amp fuse. These 2 fuses are, guys, right here for the radiator fan. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.